SUTHAR here. I am studying in Government Polytechnic HIMATNAGAR from Computer branch.
So, my name is Meet and I am studying from Government Polytechnic HIMATNAGAR and in Computer Engineering.
Today I will represent the robotic arm using ESP32 module and 4 servo motors.
And its architecture.
Alpha module we use, and this is the robotic arm is used in chrome with IP address. This gripper shows the grip moment, elbow shows the elbow moment, and shoulder shows shoulder moment, and this is the base. Record means with if we want a particular moment, then record on